So guys, I want to introduce to you a Eurochef electric kettle 2.3 liters. This is a versatile and efficient addition to your kitchen, boasting a generous 2.3 liters capacity. This sleek kettle operates at 220 volts and 60 hertz. This is an impressive power of 1500 watts, ensuring a rapid boiling time. It features an automatic shut-off function for enhanced safety and energy efficient. The 360 degrees cordless rotation base allow for convenient handling and easy pouring from any ankle. And then additionally, a removable and washable filter ensures hassle-free maintenance. Available in elegant stainless steel with a modern design. This kettle is not just a utility but a stylish kitchen companion. So we have maybe just highlights. These are 2.3 liters capacity. Indicator lamp is there, water level indicator, automatic switch off, removable and washable filter, 360 degrees cordless power base, and it comes with 1 year warranty. And then we deliver to you free of charge at your doorstep. Get this kettle at only $999. Anytime within 3 hours, it will be at your door if you are in Nairobi, and within 24 hours to 48 hours across Kenya. Gobiz Kenya, just search Gobiz Kenya or www.gobizlimited.com, and then or call the number that is on your screen. See you again another time.